May peace be upon you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Diazonic Labs. Hope you're all doing good and hope you're all safe at home. If you are new to our channel, request you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of our free tutorials. Okay, let's quickly begin with the topic for today, that is turning on an LED using Arduino and the Arduino software. Isn't it exciting? Okay, so as I have already mentioned in my previous video, digital pin 13 has an inbuilt LED. So if ever I want to use an external LED, I can use it on pin number 13, or I can use any of the digital pins. So no problem. So the connections are pretty simple. So you can see the connections on the screen. I've put a fritzing on the screen now. Okay, just see the connections. It is pretty simple. Our LED has two legs, so the longer leg is positive, and the positive leg goes to any of the digital pin, and the shorter leg, which is negative, always goes to the ground. Okay, the connections are pretty simple. I hope you have seen it on the screen. So in our case, the digital pin is pin number 13. I can use any of the digital pins. So there are many digital pins starting from 0 to 13, so I can use any of the digital pin, so not a problem. So that's all with the connections. Now let us begin with the software part or the programming part. So I'll connect my Arduino to my computer or laptop using the USB cable. Okay, so after connecting it, so I'll open the Arduino software or Arduino IDE. Yeah, it will take 4 to 5 seconds, and yeah, it is open. So the first thing to do when your Arduino IDE opens is go to tools and check for proper board. So in our case it is Arduino Uno. Okay, so the first thing is check for the proper board, and the second thing is check if the port is selected. So yeah, for me COM4 Arduino Uno is selected. So that's all. Yeah, coming to the programming. So inside the Arduino IDE or the Arduino software, each file is called as a sketch. Okay, so this is my sketch. So my Arduino sketch has two main parts. The first one is void setup and the second one is void loop. Okay, so here we have something written in 2/. Okay, those are nothing but comments. So for now comments are not required. Okay, in the sense comments won't be the part of our code or program. Okay, so comments are not required for us. Okay, so in void setup I will specify the pin number first. Okay, so I'll be typing pin mode, so PIN in small letters and M will be caps. Okay, this is called as camel case. So pin mode 13 comma output. Okay, so LED is a output device because I can see the light, correct? I can see the LED glow, so LED is the output device. So here I declare pin mode 13 comma output. Okay, so after this I'll be writing digital write. Okay, digital write 13. Okay, 13 is nothing but my pin number 13 comma high. Okay, here high is the state of my LED, so it is binary, high or low. If it is low, my LED will be off. If it is high, my LED will be on. Okay, so after this I'll just try to compile my program. Okay, my void loop will be empty here. Okay, so there's nothing to be written in the void loop. My void loop will be empty, so I'll just try to compile my program. Yeah, if I want I can save it, so I'll be saving it in the name of Arduino _ LED. Okay, I'll save it. Yeah, so here I can see that my sketch is finished compiling. Okay, so now I'll just upload it. Yeah, it is trying to upload. Yeah, and then done uploading. So now I hope you can see that the LED on pin number 13 is glowing. So That's all. It's very simple. I hope you can do it very easily. Yeah, so if you have any questions or if you have any doubts, you can write it in the comment section below. I'll try my level best to answer it as soon as possible. So thank you. Have a good day.